Hello fellow traders, this is another episode of the series. We are trading our live account, so like, subscribe, leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. On today's episode, how to start trading. What does it take to become a trader? Where to start? How to start? Many people are afraid to start. They think that it's a gambling, that you will lose your money and so on. Well, indeed, the numbers are against you. This is what we are saying for the entire series. 90% of traders are losing money in the market. More than 70% quit the first year. Well, at this point, I have some really good news for you. To start trading, you will need absolutely nothing. Many people would expect me to say that you need to be some kind of mathematical genius or calculate multiple models and so on. At this point, I will need to say, of course, that one of the best trader is a mathematician, so I will leave the link in the description below. But as I said, to start trading, you will need only time. This is the most important element that you would need in your trading. And of course, trading is a marathon. Remember that we have said that many times. Do not have any expectations when you start trading. Many people ask me some generic and some same questions because they're afraid. They are afraid to face their emotions and so on. The emotion of loss. Of course, the amazing emotion and the feeling when you are winning and trade, especially when you are winning consecutive trades. So, the first question on how to start trading: what platform or broker to use? At this point, this is one of your minor problems. Just open Google, search, and find the first broker that you will see. It doesn't matter. You will start with demo accounts, paper trading, so you don't have to worry about the trader, about the broker. At this point, you just need to make a demo account. You don't have to pay any other attention. You don't have to check if it's regulated and so on. You will start with some demo accounts. So this is the first and the most important part. You will see everything that you will need there, how leverage works. Of course, if you are using Forex, we have analyzed all this information in our series, in all of our episodes, so you can find any information there. I will put some useful links in the description also. What indicator to use? You will find out that there are thousands of indicators out there, and literally I mean thousands. In this series, we have analyzed all of them. At least the basic ones that you will use. We are not talking about any other experimental indicators that we will also cover in this series. However, do not pay attention to this kind of details. Indicators won't help you with your trading, so you don't have to focus so much. You can put a simple moving average or a simple exponential moving average, and I can guarantee that most of the indicators out there using these basic principles. Of course, I'm analyzing also the formula behind each indicator that you're gonna see in this series. At this part, especially when you are newbies, you don't have to care about this kind of information. You need to see the market, how unpredictable the market can be. Market is not your friend, so an indicator won't save you for sure. You can use it as a signal, and at some point you will know exactly most of the indicators on how to work with them. How long? How long does it take to become profitable? Unfortunately, the same question you are asking me again. Most likely you will never become profitable. At least these are the numbers. But remember what we've said, that the numbers are against you. However, the more time you dedicate, the better trader you become, for sure. Of course, you will lose absolutely nothing in demo trading, just your time, and this is really important because some people are expecting profits from the beginning. They will hit a button or execute the trade and so on. However, I am afraid it's significantly and far more harder than what you are expecting to see. It is a gambling. Another question, very generic. It's not gambling, no. However, you will have the feeling, the gambler's feeling when you're trading. This will be in every trading that you will execute, especially when you have consecutive wins. This will make you feel significantly better, inside you. So this will diminish in time the more you start executing trades. Of course, in the beginning, when you start having your first consecutive wins, yes, I can guarantee you will feel that gambler's feeling. The feeling that you are very strong, the feeling that you learn to identify the market, you execute the market, you make profits of the market, especially when you start your first withdrawal. This will also help you identify that all this time you didn't lose it for nothing. Of course, this is the hardest part. So the reason that you need to be amateurs all the time in trading is that you don't have to get that feeling that you know the market and you can beat the market. Not many people manage to do that, and people, or when we are managed to be profitable, we don't know for how long. No one can guarantee that. Will you lose money? No, you will not lose not even a single cent if you listen what I'm saying and you are listening this series. You will start with some paper trading. There are no real money involved. Find a random broker, open a demo account, start executing trades. In time, there will be something that will emerge from your trading. Do not focus on styles of trading, swing trading, if you're gonna scalp, the duration of your trades and so on, how to find your markets. I can guarantee that in time this will emerge. Don't focus on the style of trading, don't focus on what style you should choose and so on. I can guarantee it's exactly the opposite. In time, the strategy will emerge. So you don't have to care about these kind of details when you are trading, and especially when you are a newbie in trading. So yes, you will not lose any money in the beginning because you will just start with demos. Do you need a college degree? This question is completely irrelevant. However, a college degree will help you better to identify, or let's say if you it will help you with your analytical skills. So this is the answer to your question. You don't need some special college degree or university degree. However, yes, it is helpful. Some special courses that you need to take. My suggestion to you, especially when you are new in trading, avoid any gurus. Of course, avoid any messages like you can get 1,000 per day, 700 per day. These are fairy tales. I can guarantee that. Also, I can guarantee the opposite. There are exceptional traders out there, and I can guarantee that they are very profitable. However, you need time to identify them, and you need time to understand the process. So do not start by just following traders. Start your demo trading, and I can guarantee that this will be the most important lesson when you are trading. You will be able to identify, always ask for some proven trading history. This is the reason that we are trading a real account in this channel for the past 2 years. Of course, we started with 100 USD. Now it runs at around 500. However, this is not important. Do not focus on money. Money will come in time, maybe never. So do not have any expectations. Again, thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. Trade safe, and I hope I'll see you in the future.